Creating stories is hard. Creating good stories is really hard. And just to spice things up, mix in some interactivity and player choices. Welcome to the world of game writing, where it's all about smart planning. Keep track of all these storylines, characters, items, locations, variables. More content. You like writing? Well, you've come to the right place. Logical thinking. I'm sure you have a programming background, don't you? But don't worry. Articy Draft helps you plan, write, and organize all your narrative content. Our multi-layered flow lets you organize your nonlinear project, from major plot points down to single dialogue lines. Branching dialogue, character and item descriptions, quest texts and variable lists. All just one click away. Games are all different. But with our easy-to-use template system, there are no genre or platform limitations. Simulate your story logic. Use the spreadsheet export for localization. And get your content directly into the engine of your choice. Game writing is incredibly hard, but we do our best to make it easier. So you can focus on what's important: creating great stories.